Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
They do it! These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good!
It's organic!
I've followed the racing my entire life, my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
I'm sure Cindy will love it. How about I give it to her on my way to check the hydrants?
Are you lost? This is when an officer takes action. Get on!
Mater, let's go! You're on!
He's going to get you! You broken the road! You read about the car!
Officer, talk to me, baby.
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Hi, I'm the rolling doctor train. I'll take you to Darwin Hospital. jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come out of... McQueen and Sally, part beneath the cape. K-I-S-S.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my, well...
I'm gonna make you scream!
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto.
It's smoking!
Correcto.
Correcto.
Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
Back. There will be no bumping, no cheating, no spitting, no biting, no road rage.
Hey!
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm...
Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse. I mean, come on, it's a fossil fuel.
Hey, thanks for coming, but we're all set. He's letting me go.
He's letting you go?
Yeah, your job's pretty easy.
Who is it? Has anyone seen the photo yet?
Nope, not yet. The American is here tonight to pass it.
Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement.
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years.
When I changed the direction of my life, when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School!
Son, that was some real racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dinoco?
Förloraren blir av med all extra utrustning och förvandlas till standardmodell. between you and Francesco. Francesco knows how good he is. He does not need to surround himself with Toto.
Same job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Wait, who was that? I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will